All right, one of the problems on your math choice boards from this week, on the red choice board, at the bottom on the left, talks about what is the difference between multiplicative comparison and additive comparison. And I did some examples on multiplicative comparison on Monday. So I'm going to talk a little bit about additive comparison, and then we'll talk about the difference between them. So remember, multiplicative, just totally dropped my marker. Multiplicative comparison, You see that? All right, there has multi in it, meaning many, or like to multiply. And additive comparison has the word add in it, which means that, or you're going to be adding or subtracting, and many, which means multiply, means you're going to be multiplying or dividing. So with that being said, remember, for multiplicative comparison from last time, we did something as blank is blank as many as, which really, we said, really means something equals something times something. You're just giving that multiplication sentence in words. For additive comparison, you could say, I'll use the red still, I'm trying to keep the same. Blank is blank more than blank, which is really saying something equals something plus something. These are really just two big fancy words for talking about different ways to create word problems, to have you either multiply or divide in a word problem, or add or subtract in a word problem. And we've talked about tape diagrams for both of these, but we've never really put them together at the same time before. So let's show you what a tape diagram would look like for both of these. I'm going to try to get a different marker here. So for multiplicative comparison, this will be the tape diagram where you draw out maybe like one box is 3, but you've got multiple sets of those. Maybe you have 5 of them. So you draw out 5 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is really saying 3 times 5, or a total of 15. All right. Like if I said, I have 3 dogs, but Kaylin has 5 times as many, this would be showing that problem. For additive, this is where I would have, maybe I have 3 in a box here first. This might be me, or I'll put J for Juliana. And then I might say, but Kaylin has 5 more dogs than Julie. So I would add another tape diagram to the bottom and put that 5 more over here. And this would be, who was it? Kaylin, right here. We'd have to say, okay, well, 3 plus 5 would be a total of 8 in our box here. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So we've got our multiplication. Remember, multiplication is just really repeated addition. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, we're doing it multiple times. And addition, where we're just adding on one straight set to it. So let's do 2 word problems. We'll write them out so you can see the difference in word problems also. It's okay if I erase this? All right. All right. I'm going to do it vertically down the board, I think. I'm going to do multiplicative over here. Multiplicative. We'll do a problem right there. And then over here we'll do additive. All right, so let's do multiplicative first. We could say Caesar and Tristan went fishing. Because I'm sure they are right now. And Tristan caught 5 fish, comma, Caesar caught 4 times, or 4, yeah, times as many as Tristan. All right, then we want to know how many did Caesar catch? All right, so first, let's underline what's important. Caesar and Tristan went fishing. They caught 5 fish, or sorry, Tristan caught 5 fish. Caesar caught 4 times as many. And box the question, how many fish did Caesar catch? Oh, okay, sorry, it's a little bit messy. All right, so we could put at the bottom here, we could say Caesar caught blank fish. All right, so now I need to draw a tape diagram. And we're thinking here, okay, is this going to be a multiplicative problem, a multiplicative tape diagram? Or is this an additive problem and I need an additive tape diagram? So let's go back to the problem and see maybe if we can get some clues from the problem to help us figure this out. So let's see. Tristan and Caesar went fishing. Nothing there. Tristan caught 5 fish. Caesar caught 4 times as many. Do you see that? Did you hear when I said times as many? Times as many. Those words are key words for multiply. Times, remember when you talk about I'm timesing something or I'm multiplying something, as many as, so I keep trying to underline it so you guys can see that right there. So this means it's a multiplicative comparison if you hadn't already seen multiplicative at the top, because I'm sure you guys were all paying attention. So I need to draw now a multiplicative tape diagram. So I'm going to draw out, first I'm going to draw out what Tristan caught. Tristan caught 5 fish, okay. That's one box here. I know that Caesar caught 5 times that, or sorry, 4 times that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be Caesar's box. So Caesar would have 5 times 4 for that total, which is 20 fish. All right, and we'll be able to put that down below here. Caesar caught 20 fish. All right, so you can see how when you hear that as many or that times, you know, okay, got to be multiplying or dividing now. All right, let's look at our addition or additive problem. Let's see, how about Hetzel and, oh, I don't know, Dally went shopping. Let's see, what would they buy shopping? Hetzel bought 10, what are they called? 10 lip glosses? Lip glosses and lip glosses. Dally bought 7 more lip glosses than Hetzel. How many did Dally buy? All right, so same thing here. Let's read and underline as we go. Hetzel and Dally went shopping. Hetzel bought 10 lip glosses. All right, underline her name. Dally bought 7 more. Dally bought 7 more than Hetzel. Oop, than Hetzel, that's probably important. How many did Dally buy? So I'm going to box that our question right there. Okay. And it says we're looking for how many did Dally buy. So I needed my sentence, Dally bought blank lip glosses. I don't even know if that's a word. Lip glosses. Lip gloss containers. Lip gloss. I don't know. Okay. So got our read done. Now we need to think about what type of problem is this. So let's go back and read and see if we can find some clues along the way. Dally and Hetzel went shopping. Hetzel bought 10 lip glosses. Dally bought 7 more than Hetzel. When you hear that word more, I'm thinking, okay, more is an additive. I'm adding it on. I'm not multiplying it. It's not saying as many as or times. It's just getting an additional. So this is going to be an additive. And if you hadn't already read our top of the paper and also anyways. So let's draw an additive tape diagram. So I'm going to draw Hetzel's here first. She has 10. All right, and then I'm going to draw Dally's down here. You see that D, and she has 7 more. So I'm going to make her tape diagram bigger. I'm going to put this line in between here to show this is plus 7. I'm adding more. Remember over here, I just drew more boxes because I'm doing sets of 5. I'm multiplying them, but here I'm just adding on one group of 7. So Dally would have 10 plus 7 equals 17. So Dally bought a total of 17 lip glosses. All right. So those are 2 examples of multiplicative and additive comparison problems. I hope that helped you see how different they are for multiply, multiplicative, additive, and adding, how those 2 are different, and helps you solve some word problems today with those, and create your own word problems with multiplicative and additive comparisons as well.